We're fucking fucked. The Trump team has ordered an immediate pause on regulations, guidance, announcements, press releases, social media posts, and website posts from the Department of Health and Human Services and the CDC. Let me put this into perspective. The pause also applies to anything that would be intended to be put in the Federal Register, where the executive branch communicates rules and regulations and the Morbidity and Mortality Weekly Report. Basically, the CDC's report telling us how many people are dying and why they're dying. And let me be very clear, Trump is not new to this, he's true to this, because during his first administration, he tried to take control over the CDC's MMWR journal, which had published information about the COVID-19 pandemic that conflicted with messaging from the White House. Remember, while he was telling us to inject bleach to kill the COVID-19 virus, he didn't want any of the other departments undermining him and telling him that shit was wrong. This pause in communication puts us at fucking danger. Why? Because as doctors and scientists have said, when it comes to stopping outbreaks of anything, every second counts. Local health officials and doctors depend on the CDC to get disease updates, timely prevention, testing, and treatment guidelines and information about outbreaks to patients and people. The question is, what does he know? What was he briefed on? And why is he doing this at a time when California has literally declared a state of emergency because of a bird flu epidemic that is now pervasive here in the United States? Someone in Louisiana just died with this variant of the bird flu. Physicians are now worried that this may cause another fucking pandemic. Because while there hasn't been any person-to-person transmission of bird flu and the current public health risks are low, a single mutation of the virus strain now widely infecting dairy cattle could allow it to spread to humans and could be an indicator of human pandemic risk. Without the public health communications by these organizations, 2 doctors, 2 physicians, 2 scientists, we can't get to the motherfucking issue. The longer this virus circulates unchecked, the higher the likelihood it will acquire the mutations needed to cause a pandemic. Mind you, there are currently egg shortages and eggs have reached 40% higher prices because of this spike in bird flu.